Good afternoon, everyone, especially to you, ma'am. My name is Christian Batoon from Group 5, and now I am reporting general function and training of security guards. Introduction to industrial security concept. 1. General function of a security guard. 1. Enforce company rules, regulation, and ID system. 2. Patrol and observe assigned areas and facilities. 3. Prevent unauthorized access, detain violators in restricted areas. 4. Check and secure rooms, building, doors, gate, and storage areas. 5. Escort personnel or visitors when needed. 6. Respond to alarm, suspicious activities, and emergencies. 7. Protect equipment and materials from loss damage or sabotage. 8. Act quickly during fire, accident, or disturbance. 9. Control vehicle and personnel traffic at parking inside the compound. 10. Perform any other duties related to maintaining safety and security. So, explain ako sa inyo ang number 1. Enforce company rules, regulations, and ID system. So, ang isa ka security guard, ay, kung ikaw ay isang security guard, kailangan mo talagang tingnan kung hingan ng ID o alamin ang background ng isang person na papasukin mo. Isang tao na papasukin mo, kailangan mong malaman ang background niya kung baka example, papasukin mo nang hindi mo alam, hindi mo lang tinitignan ang mga ID niya o hindi mo titignan ang background niya. Wala kang kalam-kalam tungkol sa kanya, tapos isa pala yung hold upper. Tapos hindi mo chinek ng maayos, may baril pala yun. Wala. Iyo mo tanan. Ano, kung hindi mo i-check ang isang tao, baka mapahamak pa kayo dahil hindi mo alam kung anong background ng tao yan. Number 2. Number 2, patrol na observe assign areas and facilities. So, ang pagkakaintindi ko sa number 2, kailangan mong magpatrol sa